Welcome. So here today we're going to learn how to cut a watermelon. Super easy. Cut a watermelon in half and then cut each half into 6 equal pieces. There's usually a line designed in the watermelon for you to cut here. Take a piece, cut it vertically down to the edge. Cut the top half off, then cut vertically down the middle and cut all around the edges, releasing all of the pieces. You can do this for each piece, cutting vertically down, making slices, then cutting the top triangle off, and then cutting around the perimeter and releasing all of the pieces, throwing out the extra scraps. This watermelon was just a little bit on the messy side with a little bit of overripeness, so it was a little bit juicy and messy. But with a real ripe and perfect watermelon, it makes it super easy. Here I'm on to the second half. I've cut my 6 pieces, cutting vertically at a different angle. You can see here from this angle, cutting the top triangles off, cutting down the middle again, and cutting around the perimeter. And voila, there you have it. Enjoy your watermelon.